1, 2, go. What's up guys? So yeah, welcome to my channel. Hindi na ako marunong vlog. So today ang gagawin natin is we will be making a cinematic B-roll. All of the possible sound effects are recorded using this, the new DJI Mic 2. Huge thanks to DJI Philippines for sending me this mic, and ito yung gagamitin ko sa mga videos ko and mga vlogs ko. Andito kami ngayon sa racetrack. Nag-iisang racetrack dito sa Palawan. Kasi yung gagawin namin ngayon is a motorcycle B-roll. Parang ginawa ko rin dati, pero ito ngayon medyo medyo kakaiba lang. Since gamit namin is mga sound effects na recorded gamit tong mic na to. Yun o. Sheesh! This is my Sony FX30 filmmaking rig. So yan, naka-rig na siya. Yan, naka-monitor, naka-V-mount battery na ako. Tas flex lang. So yeah, let's go! So yun guys, actually medyo marami ngayon na nagmumotor dito, so medyo mahihirapan kami mag-video na seamless lang yung binibidyoan namin. Ayun sila din Yan guys, ang daming nagmumotor dito. Yan, mga naka-ninja, naka-R3. Sheesh! Wala naman alam sa motor, pero basta maganda yung tunog, astig yan. So hi guys, so I just want to talk about the DJI Mic 2. So the DJI Mic 2 has high quality audio recording and intelligent noise cancelling, and the noise cancellation feature is the one that I used while recording the different sounds because the background noise is very loud. That feature really comes in handy, and it is really small and compact. Ito yung mic mismo, pakaliit niya lang, and this is the charging case. Siyempre walang laman kasi gamit ko ngayon. And it comes with this carrying case. So dito siya nakalagay. Sa carry case. Very nice for traveling. And another thing is the receiver has touchscreen, which you can change the different settings sa receiver na mismo. So that feature is really cool. And the DJI Mic 2 also has 32-bit float audio recording, which means na kahit laksan ko yung boses ko ng ganito or magbulong ako ng ganito kahina, is maririnig nyo pa rin. You can really control the gain of the audio without having any distortion. So it's like having a raw file ng audio. And the battery life of this microphone is really crazy because it has 18 hours of battery life. Ilang linggo ko nang hindi charge tong microphone, and hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin siya low bat. Kasi ever since na-unbox ko to and charge ko siya ng full charge, nakarang linggo pa yun. Hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa siya charge. The DJI Mic 2 is really perfect for content creators and filmmakers. If you're planning to buy a wireless microphone that has a lot of cool features, this is the one that I recommend. Wala matunog. So yun guys, since may may 32-bit float recording, yung sa susi, i-record natin yan. Sige, 1, 2. Sige, 1, 2, go. Ayun pala, may tunog pala yan Sige, na natin yan. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Sige, bumba ka. Okay, sabay ito ka. Last one. Ayan. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. Hindi, sara mo mali helmet mo. Ay, pag ganun. Tapos ganun ka lang. Diba pag sara mo, ganun ka. Sige. Kahit nakapatay lang yun, okay lang yun. Okay, 1, 2, go. Saan yung tatapakan? Ay, yung itim. Ah, sige, wait lang. Yung itim pala. Akala ko yung isa. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. Ay, isa ng tunog ito. Ayan. Go. So yun guys, tapos na tayo sa details. Ayan ngayon na, ano na tayo. Bomba na. 1, 2, go. Kukunan lang naman ito yung parang kunwari, dumirit. So yun guys, ngayon naman didikit na namin yung mic dito sa motor. Ito. So magnetic naman tong ano, yung DJI mic to. Pero lalagyan pa rin namin ng tape para mas sure lang na hindi malaglag kay mahal ito eh. Then dito, medyo may ano siya dito guys. Magnetic naman siya dito. Ay, ano ba yun? Ito. Ayan. Ayan. Dumidikit naman siya. Pero lalagyan na lang namin ng duct tape para mas sure lang. Nadali naman ito. Oh, okay. Dapat dublin pa. Baka last time na ito na magamit ko tong mic. Then guys, successful na nalagay na namin siya dito. So, sige level, ikot-ikot muna siya para para ma-record lang yung tunog ng motor niya. So, yun ako, papisto muna ako. So, let's go. Yun na kami ngayon sa gitna ng ng racetrack. Ngayon na kami mag-video. So, let's go. Maganda to kung may zoom lens ako eh. Sayang, wala akong zoom lens eh. Yun guys, okay na guys. So yun, medyo tapos na kami sa mga ilang shot. Ngayon siguro mag-FPV na ako. So medyo challenging to kasi hindi ko pa na-try mag-chase ng mga bagay-bagay sa Avata. Sana maganda yung mga shots natin ngayon. Then guys, ito ang ating Avata 2. So kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung review video nito, click nyo lang dyan kung saan guys. Run up the business, God is my witness. Sun up to sun up from under the sun, and we maxing our limits. My mind running like Tom Cruise on an action movie, moving the mission. Yeah, whoa, yeah. Hola, yeah. It's been a long time coming. They ain't cut for my cloth, they tugging it. Putting up numbers, 99 pounds, and I still kept it 100. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. They ain't cut for my cloth, they tugging it. Putting up numbers, 99 pounds, and I still kept it 100. Yeah, who don't play, 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 play. 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 Who don't? Long time coming, black on the bottom of my feet from running. Cataracts under my eyes from hustling. Going from buying to selling to customers. Run up the business, God is my witness. Sun up to sun up from under the sun that we make. Yun guys, kakatapos lang namin. Tayo na, tinanggal na yung mic dito sa nagaling sa motor. And nakakatapos ko lang din gumawa ng mga drone shots. And habang nag-drone shot ako, kukuha rin si Kuya Jonas, kasi yung cameraman natin ngayon. So yan, Gumawa rin siya ng ibang shots habang nag-drone ako para sulit yung oras. I-picture muna kami and then sulitin lang namin yung lugar. So, let's go.
Make you a play, don't be scared, I'm reluctant. You made it from nothing, then figure out your clutch. Everything you want in front of you, ain't no discussion. Look, it's been a long time coming.
So, yun lang guys, tapos na kami. Ayan, makasama natin. Maraming salamat sa panonood and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And yeah, see you next video.